place. Dot. Please hurry me as always. Oh god, kill me. Please kill me. Kill me. Kill. Let's start the mission to elimination. You that is kill this fella. Kill him. Okay, let's keep the button. Okay, let's have fun. Let's put down every protest start with weapons to this family. Okay, my intention, the whole world is here. You should delay all defense battles over my zone. Let my military keep coming in until we have eliminated the family. Wait, has to be 2 days. Exclamation point. If you not 2 days, fine by me. Let's have a last fighting time. Dot. Coke. What is this? Where is this smell coming from? It's unbearable. It's coming from somewhere in the house for sure. I gotta get pitch like everything. I can see anything. Need some light. Investigate. What the lights off or started? The lights off or electronic. Maybe the button broke, let's put it on again. Can you press this one? I can see it well. What is this way? Dude! Come on there! Oh god, please, I have to do something. Why is people doing this? Or Philippines? Ow! What the hell? They will have killed! Oh well. So let's tell a story about nothing else. Oh! They did what became one. It stopped stuck in reality 2 days ago. Ugh. Can explain this nasty smell. I'm going to take care of this. Check that dirty place. Let's hurry to the sink. What's your face to look at me? Why don't you have... I think... This is the grocery shop. Place Disney plays in the key. Dot. Please the replay sounds like a new one. This has to be discarded for later. I hate this music. This is my room though. Okay. watch replay. Yes, your universe will be funny. It's full of favorite comments and various styles. Don't move the volume for technical but big picture tomorrow after work. It's very still coming from somewhere. X? Oh, that's the option. I have a phone that they were talking. Well, my phone is also fine. Only those who despair. Is it already time for a pattern to appear? What with the still bright light? Well, I remember how to do this. I know how to do this. I can't remember how many days Mother stayed here. Mother raised was long ago. All over every possible weekend. No fucking theoretical life. Okay, what is that? Oh! This place was the source of the smell. How player can be keeping the door open? Down that I see is full of laundry. I did have a chance since I was overnight for a few days. Figures what has hey, what should I do? I'll just do overnight washing. I can run washing machine now. I hate this! Help me guys! I am not weird because I hate. I didn't listen. I got no other choice. Finally this is well if I close the door. I thought I'd clean up at home, but there are many more housework to do. You mean homework? Oh right, I can finally rest now. Next to me, let's go to the computer. I should have to call it Irina. Give me a call. I am not expecting a call, no. Windows 10! Let's see. It's Irina night. Let's keep offline. I have to get that tired. She sleeps around this time. I'm weird. Did you really have your picture for this break? I can read pictures, but don't have to do so. Nothing I can do but sleep after checking some SNS. Gonna get to today's night was to talk. Thanks for life quest. Love to keep some insight of the supper where you. Hey, super really. Have you run away already? Peaceful say to be an XPR master. Absolutely not. Let's see. Looks like this whole thing will working overnight. Oh, somebody wrote something. I should like it and decipher it. Well, midnight pizza is just the greatest. Now let's come up with that. Oh, maybe should I order it? Madness, love forever now. Regardless, everything, anywhere, everywhere. Hey, what is Yura? Why did you contact me with SMS? Please tell me this is true. Is it urgent? Where have you been? Oh no! Laugh out loud, please. Anyways, you better sleep. It's already 4 a.m. Okay, let's talk about tomorrow. Good night, honey. Where have you been? I was looking for you. Tell me what happened. You just returned, right? Yes. Quiet, Kabuchi. I'm sorry I could go out with you. I was worried. Knock on the door for my doing that. What? Was he talking like this before? It's quite weird. What are you talking about? We're gonna get this off. We headed home at the same time, you know? That's what they should have some more time. What? You're not Rita. Who are you? Guess who? I'll have some time with you too. You just wait. What is this, Dad? Is something happening to Rita? Woo! That scared me off. Is it blackout? Eee! It is just a cold time. The color kind of this. That's what that is. Also, I can see it in this picture. Almost as electricity, which is white. It will turn on. Hello? Hi? Who are you? It's me. Been a while. You remember me, right? You're the imposter. How did you know my phone number? A broker's foot. How do you know my phone number? It's not important. Why don't you enjoy our video? You're saying that with your Discord, don't say everything stupid, but actually my question. Oh God, I hate this. I hate this. Or I'll call the police. What? What the sound of a police? Huh? Why are you so angry? Is it because of the phone number? That's... What? What was you? Oh my God, I couldn't read that. How the hell do you know where I live? Why don't I told it to me? Oh God, Sylvia, I hate these things. Why did I just told it to me? I told it to you? You really don't look what I see. Ah yes, we have a good deal or bad deal. What do you want to hear first? Oh boy, it's fine. And I'll go for bad one first. 612 Alex Ridge Road. You know where this is, right? What? This is not it. Where do you now live? You! It can't be. Speak something. Say something, baby. Ayuda? Ayuda! Is it you? Ayuda! Dot. Dude! Where did I see that? You switches to second mode, murder scrub! I'll give you one now! Oh, that's the job, guys. Good job. However, this is gonna look down. Now then, the second one is you. I'll go for your house next. What? Did you accidentally all this good by that? I screwed myself. Oh, so sorry. I didn't know this way, or I didn't understand. Anyway, let's get to the video. What? What are you talking about? I'm glad I didn't know that the world is on the way. I'm sure I was thinking when I was last there. I'll go check the door down later. You! Who the hell are you? Why are you doing this to me, Angelina? I'll be just here before I get there. It's super fast. It's my best Christmas picture. Retard! Oh, thanks for the compliment. Now, time for me to get here. Now then, time for me to get there. How will I kill you? Because you're stubborn to kill your dog. Or because you're favorite from your small face. Or I'll just give you on my head. You'll be eating good? Dot. Crazy freak. I need help first. I did all this stuff after that. Oh, why it won't open? Can't be that worked out by that maniac is this? Yes, the police! Call the police! Phone works with its own battery, but your phone might die when it's ran out of battery. Eh? Why? It won't work. Please work, please. Why? Why? Why is it not working? Scooty? Right? You have to cut for the outside. What is how? Just how? Get the door out. That can't be. Why this is happening to me? Did you know she was probably just why? I'm trying to protect her. I'm true. She is putting me away for that. Let's do everything. The killer did okay. But how can I? Why? I could say help me. Dot. Relax. It's fine. I still have time. Relax. I'm not trying to make you escape from that maniac. This not to begin with. Can I help me? Why is that guy doing this to me? No! I should be told to slip away at this time. I'm sweaty now! At least if the killer knew my phone number, there's a high chance that the killer did it by acquaintance. Last week, coworker's cousin? I can can tell because of that voice is going to should. I don't even know how I got to block that door and phone. It's still a puzzle. I don't know at all. I think you need my phone just that you guys buy clues about everything. I'm about to start my until the video comes back. If you get that start information as I can and be prepared. And I must have something to defend myself. I have to prepare the worst situation. That dark, I can't see anything, it's too dark. But still, can I leave the home? Yes! Wait, I really need it, but there's no match for it. How do I make this? Just use it on the stove, I know this game. Let's move the candle first. Found this candle. Here, it's burning now. I'm not sure when the candle will be back on. I should rely on this. Someone's supposed to be. I should start for my classmates. Yeah, the reason I will not be for me. And now I just stay with my red gun to do the mission. And just as it goes through the quiz by 3 minutes. If you grab those strongly, the sensitive material is gradually decreased. It's also slightly created because the juice walk up. First time it goes to see you, you're also reduced by 5 seasons. You can quickly recover your stamina and sanity by meaning you will reach 70 recurring souls for after 8 seconds. Furthermore, you can recover stamina and sanity with the items you find or you see the rest item which can be used on. When I use the keyword, then find yourself in 3 minutes. Okay, how? What do I do? Okay, I know this game. What's it there? Oh, you're Santa! Oh my god, help me. Help me. Wait a minute. Crystal! Okay, yes, no I'm letting you waste some time to think about, but I found something new. Found a Richie ball, okay, yes, find me. Okay, I'm gonna fight some. No. No. Question I will. Hey, did I do this? What? You just tricked me. How? I'm sweating, guys. Just have to get here. Oh, this way. Find me. Give me some energy. Give me some energy. Oh my god, and I'm running out of time. How? No! Why did you do this stuff? know I skipped that, you know. Dude, tayo, you know, so tired, dog. Oh god. It's a Philippine dog. I have this relationship with him. Okay. Oh god. Co-workers. Oh, the time is running out! How the noble purchase okay, guys, you can talk with me. I had to wonder for the process. No, I don't want to read that. I want it one at a time. Oh my god. Woke up. Yes. Okay, I know this. Okay. Oh, listen! I'm going to skip it. I'm going to skip this. I don't want to run out of time. I don't want to run out of time. Okay, okay. How do I do this? Okay. Oh! Oh! Why this game has no switch? What? Are you serious? You gotta be joking! Now I'm gonna die. Just find me. Oh no. Oh my god, the time is running out! Okay.
영철아, 사랑해.
영추! Oh my god! Come on! Come on! Come on! The door is already going to break! Come on, behind the hole for sure! Come out! Ah! Come on! Come on! 'Help me! So if you're listening to everybody, just got a plus rescue from the police. The police was no contest with the police, police, and the police. You should remember the police, you know the shit about let's call it the police. The police are the serious shit that you said to you before prison. And then in the series you guys the other many plays in real life. And even making a charity campaign for the victim unit, but ended about a week. Reaching the goal, you two stayed at the hospital for abuse 2 months and then the picture and then used the heavy left after. And you two, saved by ruthless star. Okay, we got 3 cards. Okay, that's all! RBG, BP, RTP. Extraordinary scripts.